guys, this is ABJ from gadgetsacademy.com. In this video I am going to show you Subway Surfers running on Galaxy Y. First of all, you need to download the Subway Surfers modified APK file. The link is in the description, and install it on your Galaxy Y. This game may run on Galaxy Y Duos also. It is for ARM version 6 devices. After installing, open the Subway Surfers APK application. It is now loading. It will take some time. After successfully loaded, you can now play the Subway Surfers on your mobile. It is running smoothly on this device. That's it guys, see you in the next video.